My name is Sergey Bondarenko, and I am the co-founder of BPS Knives. Today, I want to introduce you to our bestseller, the knife Adventurer. The knife, made in a classic design, has wooden handles and a leather sheath. The blade of the knife is made of carbon steel and hardened to 58 HRC. The blade length is 135 millimeters. The blade width is 30 millimeters. The overall length of the knife is 255 millimeters, and the handle length is 120 millimeters. The knife bow has a full tank construction. Spine thickness 2.83 millimeters. Weighs 170 grams, with sheath 315 grams. The blade finish is satin. The handle is made of walnut wood and treated with Danish oil. As for the sheath, it is made of durable natural leather with a thickness of 4 millimeter glued and stitched with thread. The sheath features our logo, as well as a holder for the fire starter, which is also included in the set. The sheath has two suspension options, a rigid belt suspension and a loose suspension, which allows the knife not to hinder you during active movement. The wooden handles are attached with two fasteners, allowing them to be removed and cleaned or replaced in case of damage. The sharpening is Scandinavian. The overall sharpening angle on the cutting edge is about 30 degrees. The spine has sharp angle of 90 degrees, which will allow you to work with a fire starter. The fire starter included in the set is designed for approximately 3,000 to 3,500 uses. The ferrocerium rod is coated with a protective paint that needs to be removed with a knife before use. The design of the knife is done in a classic style. The knife has quite compact dimensions. The handle is ergonomic, allowing for prolonged use without restricting movement and causing discomfort. The knife also has a hole for a lanyard. Choose the Adventure knife.
Let the adventure begin.